I'm Simon with Link Properties. This is Geoff, he's our builder here at Link Homes. So we're under the same umbrella that looks after home sales and property management. And then we've got Link Homes, which does the new builds and renovations. So what do you do, Geoff?
So my role is operational manager. I'm controlling all the Link Home new builds, and also we're looking after the rental properties, as far as maintenance, also getting houses prepared for sale. Behind us we've got a house here that we've done that with. We've put on carports, alfrescos, new gates and fences, done some landscaping, just a few other little minor changes, and it really increased the sale value of the house and sold quite quickly.
Putting that $30,000 into it,
Yep.
was able to increase that 3x return on their investment there. That's the work that you do and make that happen. I mean,
Yes.
It's a lot of work, and we do appreciate what you do.
It's all good. I believe that you worked through with them at the time, getting them the loan approved.
Yeah, so we've got a couple of finance partners now, so we can do with one partner up to 30,000 and another partner at 35,000, and we can do both of them together. So we can actually get up to about $65,000, $70,000 worth of renovations that will come out at settlement now. To a potential client, I mean, what is the value of us working together as a real estate agent and a builder?
Well, it's something that's been very unique. I don't know of too many building companies that actually have a real estate company combined. The advantage of that is we're working both under the one umbrella. If you've got your rental property with our real estate arm, we've also got the building arm that can do the maintenance for them. So we know that it's going to be done right and going to be done properly. And also, if you're looking at selling the house, we've also got the building arm there to be able to do a few minor adjustments, a bit of work to them, get them up to a high value, sell the house to the maximum potential value.
Well, thanks for your chat today, Geoff. I'm very keen to work on you with the next few projects, see what we can do for our clients and add value to them.